Hello students, hope you are doing well. The process of exercising web options for TS Polyset counseling begins before the seat allotment process. The candidates whose certificates have been verified will be eligible for exercising their options. The candidates must note that exercising web options is mandatory for the seat allotment process, and the seats will be allotted on the basis of choices filled by the students. While exercising the web options, the candidates will have to choose the college and branch very carefully. The candidates will receive the login ID on their mobile number via SMS after the certificate verification. Today's video will overview all the important details on TS Polyset web options, including instructions, steps to fill choices and other details. So let's begin. TS Polyset web options date. You can check the video description to get the complete schedule for TS Polyset web options and the dates for seat allotment process. Now let us look at step-by-step process to exercise TS Polyset web option. The very first step is to open the official website of TS Polyset, and you will have to first download the list of colleges and branches along with the codes that will help you exercise your options accordingly. You should also download the manual entry form which will help you exercise your web options. The next step is to enter your login ID by clicking on Candidates Login option on the official website and then click on Generate Password. You will receive the password on your mobile number via SMS on your registered mobile number. Use the password that you have received to log in and exercise the web options. To exercise the web options, you will have to select a district or college and give a priority number for that college number as well as the branch that you have selected. After exercising the web options and allotting priority number to all the options, you will have to save your options and log out. It is to be noted that there is no limit on the number of options filled by the candidates. Hence, you are advised to fill as many options as possible to enhance their chances of admission. Also note that it is very important to save your options before logging out. If you do not save your options, the last filled options will be automatically saved on the last date of web option filling. Now let us look at an example for TS Polyset web options which will help you exercise your choices. There will be 4 sections. First is college code, second is name of the college, priority number for college, branch and priority number for branch. For example, let's suppose the college code is ABC, the name of college is Visvesvaraya College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. You have given priority number of 1 to this college. Now you have input Diploma in Computer Science Engineering as your preferred branch and you have given priority number 1 to this branch. Now the second college that you have input, the college code is XYZ. The name of the college is Sri Datta Institute of Engineering and Science, Hyderabad. Let's suppose you have given priority number 1 to this college and you have chosen Diploma in Electrical Engineering as your branch and you have given priority number 2 to this branch. Hence, if seats will be allotted in future, your first priority is Sri Datta Institute of Engineering and Science, Hyderabad, and your first priority of branch is Diploma in Computer Science Engineering. Hence, the seat will be allotted for this college, but if the seat is not available for your first priority college, then your second priority college and second priority branch will be considered. That's all for today. Thank you. We hope that this video will help you through TS Polyset web option process. If you still have any queries, you can ask me the same through the provided link. For more updates on TS Polyset web options, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.